What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon. Crypto Universe. Today is Friday, March 17th, and in today's video, we're going to be covering 3 altcoins that you possibly may want in your portfolio. And why is that? Well, there's a lot of potential upside that could definitely reach major returns because as we're seeing in the cryptocurrency market, we're seeing Bitcoin reach up to almost 26 to almost 27,000. In fact, 27,000 was hit this morning. And that is because the Federal Reserve has printed the money printer. Yes, there is money funneling into the banks to save the banks in the US, but also they affect the rest of the world. But these 3 altcoins I'm going to share with you today why I think they could do really well. Now, with that said, be sure to like up that button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I'll never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. Let's talk about the first coin. First coin is Polygon, or also known as the MATIC token. Now, MATIC is around $1.19. Its evaluation and its market cap are almost $1 billion apart, so not too bad, not too shabby. But why am I looking into this actual cryptocurrency? Well, that is because they are in the leaders of the gaming world. Right now, the gaming world is flocking over to Polygon, and it could be the next new GameFi trend, the next new bull market that may come back, and Polygon may set the standard for that. So right now, a lot of developers are flocking to Polygon to build and develop their Web3 games, and some of these people have come from the Web2 world. Now, there is actually a thing going on in Magic Eden, but Magic Eden Polygon, where if you participate in the Mint Madness and you submit your wallet and your Magic Eden account, Twitter, and Discord, you can actually get some free mints based on these upcoming games. So right now, one of the top games I'm seeing right now is Shrapnel and Tearing Spaces. These are the top 2 that I'm seeing reach a lot of attention. So right now, that's just one of many different things. And so also, we got to talk about the revenue stream. So right now, as of right now, layer 2 solutions, Polygon is reaching the largest weekly revenue. As you can see here, it is the purple bar right here. And also, we got to keep in mind who's behind all this. Now, Ryan Wyatt is the president of Polygon Labs. Now, we got to understand who Ryan Wyatt is. Now, Ryan used to work for the YouTube gaming sector as the global head of gaming. And ever since then, he's been migrating and now has become the president of Polygon Labs. So I think he's trying to bridge the Web2 gaming world into the Web3 world, and it came from a Web2 company such as YouTube. So I think that's absolutely amazing. And again, this is just a small thing that's happening because we got to think about Web2 brands that are happening to migrate to Web3. Polygon in this whole list is migrating a ton of Web2 companies. Let's just briefly check this out. We have MasterCard, BitPay, JP Morgan, Twitter, Starbucks coffee, and we do know that their NFTs were free for customers, and now they were fetching around $2,000 on the floor. Coinbase, Mercedes, L'Oreal, Clinique, Nike, eBay, Shopify, Prada, Adidas, DraftKings, NFL, Adobe. The list goes on. And don't forget Disney Accelerator, one of the largest companies out there. So this is what Polygon is working with. This is allowing this token, the Polygon token, to skyrocket in the next bull market. So let that be a deciding factor for you. Now, let's not waste any time. Let's talk about the token number 2 that I want to recommend. That is Stacks. Now, why Stacks? Stacks is a layer 2 solution to what? What is it a layer 2 solution for? Believe it or not, it's a layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. And everybody thought that Bitcoin was just going to be a cryptocurrency, a store of value, the next digital gold. But also, don't forget, it's built on a blockchain. So that means you can create a layer 2 solution within Bitcoin. So Stacks right now is trading at around $1. The market cap, 1.4 billion. The fully diluted market cap, 1.8 billion. Now, why should we talk about this token? Well, let's go and look into the NFT market. So people are using the layer 2 solution and creating a layer 2 solution on Stacks, and that is with NFTs. People can actually create blocks within Bitcoin and use those blocks to inscribe NFTs within a block. Now, you can't do 10,000 at the very moment. Sometimes it's just a few hundred, maybe it's in the 50s, but it's not that much. But this is an emerging market that is just growing and has just started this year in 2023, and it has completely reached headline news. And now, their marketplace, which is X Gamma, this is a great place to connect your wallet and explore different NFTs. But the reason I'm pointing this out is because DCOS, which is one of the most popular collections on Solana, is migrating over to Bitcoin. There's only 535 of these NFTs that were burned in the Solana wallet now are migrating onto Bitcoin. And that's what's great. They are choosing to have this right now, and they're actually doing auctions at this very moment. So again, these are just one of many different NFTs, and why I think Stacks could do really well, because this is very early. Now, with that said, I just want to get straight to the third coin. You may know what that is. My third and last coin is Solana. You know I'm very bullish on Solana. Now, Solana has experienced a lot of volatility over the past year. A lot of dips, a lot of shutdowns within its own ecosystem, meaning there was not any operations. Solana shut down for maybe every now and then, maybe 5 times throughout the year. And that would not allow people to transfer, trade, sell anything. But nonetheless, this ecosystem continues to grow. The NFT market continues to grow. Look at this. This is the last 7 days. I'm telling you, money is funneling in. This is in the thousands of Solana, and Solana is $20 at the time of this recording. Tons of money is flowing into this ecosystem. Right now, Solana is competing with Ethereum. Ethereum is pretty nervous about the growth within Solana, but at the same time, there's mutual respects within blockchains. We've seen Ethereum heads get into the Solana NFT world and vice versa. They're kind of like going back and forth. So you're seeing two communities merge together. And also I want to share with you is that when we look at the most active developers, Solana has absolutely the most developers flocking to this blockchain. And that's because they all have all these Solana events around the world, such as Breakpoint, where developers in gaming, NFTs, whatever you want, whatever you're trying to develop, they are the most developer-friendly platform. And that's amazing. And the last thing I want to share with you is their daily transactions, because they still, at this very moment, have the most daily transactions to Polygon, Avalanche, Ethereum, Near, and Aptos. So that is phenomenal. And just know this, Solana is only 3 years old. And Solana actually just recently celebrated their 3-year anniversary. And Ethereum, say for instance, has been around for more than 7 years. So just this goes to show you how fast this blockchain is growing. If you look at the daily active addresses, it fluctuates, but still it's competing against Ethereum and Polygon. So what does that say? It says a lot to me, in my personal opinion. Now, those are my 3 cryptocurrencies that I think could do really well in the next bull market. If Bitcoin continues to trend to the upside, which possibly it could based on what I'm seeing with the money printer happening with the Federal Reserve, then we could see people flocking to put their store values or their money into Bitcoin rather than keeping it stored in a bank. But I want to hear your thoughts down below, both on YouTube and Twitter. What other altcoins should we be looking out for? What do you think of the 3 that I've brought up? Well, I want to cover all of those different details, and I cannot wait to read your comments. So be sure to like up that button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive alpha calls on both our buy and sell orders for both NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Till then, see you guys and girls next time.